What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm just showing y'all what his hair looks like before we go and do the washing process. It's dry right now and then it needs a lot of moisture, so we're gonna head to the sink. Okay, so I'm just showing y'all a little bit of the shampooing process. The shampoo that I'm using is by Aussie Moist. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Aussie Moist conditioner and I'm going to apply it to his whole head, and then I'm going to work in sections to distribute that product through his hair and make sure it coats all his strands. And this is the best conditioner if you're looking for slip, so I highly recommend it. And now I'm going in with my Tangle Teezer brush to smooth that conditioner throughout his hair and to also detangle his hair. Alright, y'all, this is after we washed the conditioner out. I just wanted to show y'all his texture up close. He has really coily hair. And now I'm going to take my Mielle Organic Pomegranate and Honey Twist and Soufflé, and I'm going to apply it in sections. And I'm going to take my rat tail comb and use it for sectioning his hair. Okay, so I'm basically going to be doing a twist out on his hair. And I'm just, instead of like doing like a regular twist out, I'm doing it with rubber bands so they last longer. I'm just taking little squares to do it. And I'm applying my Eco Styler gel. And I'm just using a little bit of Eco Styler gel, just a little bit on his roots, just to lay his hair down so it can look sweet. Okay, so now I'm just going through and I'm applying rubber bands. I'm applying the rubber bands first all over his head, and then I go back at the end and twist. But if you would like to, you can twist as you go, but I prefer to, you know, twist afterwards.
we do here is go back.
Alright, I'm just showing y'all what the sections look like when I'm done rubber banding his hair. And I forgot to mention that I only wrap the rubber band around his hair twice. So I don't wrap it no more than 2 times. Okay, so now that I'm done with the rubber banding process, I'm just going back through and I'm going to do a basic 2-strand twist out. And I'm just re-wetting his hair because it kind of dried up on me. And when I get down to the end of his hair, I don't like to twist all the way to the end. I like to leave about 3.5 to 4 inches of hair. And what I do with that hair is I twist it around my finger to get that little nice curl at the end that y'all gonna see.
What we do here is go back. What we do here is go back.
Look at that definition, y'all. And that's what you call a good twist out right there. He got some really, really nice hair. It's so thick, but at the same time it's fine. And ain't he so cute, y'all? That's my baby, y'all. I love him so much. He's so cute. Alright, now I'm going in with my Eco Styler gel. This part is completely optional for a child. If you're not really into edges, you can skip this part. But I like to do this part because I like the polished look it gives him. And no lie, I be forgetting, when I be doing his hair, I be forgetting your boy. I be going a little overboard. But this time I didn't. I'm just saying, like, when I do his hair, I be going a little overboard. Cause like his edges, he got like baby hair. So I be forgetting your boy and end up swooping the shit out of his edges. Alright, now I'm just showing y'all like a little half up, half down that y'all can do on the child's hair. His dad and his mom likes to do this when his hair gets old, or a lot of the times because he don't like his hair in his face, so they like to pull it up out of his face so it don't bother him. But yeah, it looks so nice. Alright y'all, so now I'm going in with my Wild Growth hair oil, and I'm going to just apply this to his scalp. And yeah, see, he hates his hair in his face. But yeah, y'all, this is the finished product. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you're new here, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time I post a video, make sure you hit that bell button. And if y'all have any video suggestions y'all want me to do on hair and makeup, just comment down below. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!